Hi, Greg here, Integrity Power Sports. Thanks for checking out this 2023 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Beautiful bright orange paint. It's Harley orange. It's got 8,400 miles on it. It's nice upgrades like Reinhardt's and detachable tour back. Just nice. Great Street Glide. $84.36. Bike does have ABS and traction control as well. Seat. Very, very good shape. Here to Reinhardt's. There you have it, 2023 Harley Davidson Street Glide, 8,400 miles. For sale, integritypreowned.com, or come see our showroom, 415 Oak Street, Port Orange, Florida. Thanks for watching this video. Ride safe.